To use the Afterpay on Cash App, so go to your Cash App, log into your account and click on the little bank icon or your balance icon to get to your wallet on your bottom left. So just tap on it, and once you are there, so once you get to the screen here, under Explore, look for Afterpay if it's available for you. So just if it's available, select Afterpay. Okay, so and you'll get to the Afterpay screen here. So once you get to the Afterpay page here, so here you will see the amount you will have to spend depending on your eligibility, and then all you have to do is click on shop and then just tap on the checkout with Afterpay option here. Just click on shop and then make any purchase, and you just, when you check out, select Afterpay. So this is how basically how you use it. But this option or feature is not available for everyone, and it has some conditions in order to use this. For example, like you need to shop with your Cash App card. So if you don't have a Cash App card, you won't be able to use this. So make sure you can apply for a Cash App card on your Cash App. Okay, and then you have to spend between these with these amounts here. So, and also this rollout feature is not available for everyone yet. Only it's available in some regions and for some people who are eligible. So if you have it, all you have to do is just check out, and when you check out, just choose Afterpay, and that's it. You can use the feature to pay for your purchase, and that's basically pretty much it is.